Household repair action words. Hammer. Hit with a hammer.
Hammer the nail into the wall.
Nail. Fasten with a nail.
Nail the picture frame to the wall.
Screw. Fasten with a screw.
Screw the shelf to the wall.
Unscrew. Remove a screw.
Unscrew the old handle.
Tighten. Make something tighter.
Tighten the loose bolt.
Loosen. Make something less tight.
Loosen the screw carefully.
Drill. Make a hole with a drill.
Drill a hole in the wall.
Measure. Find the size or length.
Measure the window before buying curtains.
Mark. Make a small sign.
Mark the spot with a pencil.
Cut. Divide with a tool.
Cut the wood carefully.
Saw. Cut using a saw.
Saw the board into 2 pieces.
Sand. Smooth the surface.
Sand the wooden table.
Paint. Apply paint.
Paint the wall blue.
Brush. Apply paint with a brush.
Brush the paint evenly.
Roll. Apply paint with a roller.
Roll the paint on the wall.
Glue. Join with adhesive.
Glue the broken vase together.
Tap. Stick using tape.
Tape the wires neatly.
Seal. Close tightly.
Seal the gap around the window.
Fix. Repair something.
Fix the broken chair.
Repair. Restore the working condition.
Repair the leaking pipe.
Replace. Put in a new one.
Replace the old light bulb.
Install. Put something in place.
Install the new ceiling fan.
Remove. Take away.
Remove the damaged tile.
Lift. Raise something.
Lift the toolbox carefully.
Carry. Move by holding.
Carry the ladder outside.
Assemble. Put parts together.
Assemble the new cabinet.
Dismantle. Take apart.
Dismantle the old shelf.
Connect. Join together.
Connect the water pipe.
Disconnect. Separate from a connection.
Disconnect the power before repairing.
Test. Check if it works.
Test the switch after installing it.